What's up, everybody? It's me again with another unboxing video. All right, I know you see the package already open, but I already started to open it and I was like, wait a minute, why don't you just videotape me unboxing just sneakers? So what it is, it's the VaporMax 2020s. I know we're in 2021, but still there's some people that probably haven't seen these sneakers or been paying attention or still looking to see if this worth purchasing. I got it for discount price because I got the hookup. So I always wanted. I got the Air Max already. I got it for Christmas, so I just wanted to go ahead. I got this shipped to me because I didn't. They didn't have my size in the finish line in the store, so I got it shipped to me. It took only about 4 days, 4 or 5 business days, and let's just unbox it. Just a quick unboxing. I wear size 12. I'm not gonna show you the address and everything, but these are the VaporMax. Okay. So this is how the box look. Move to Zero is Nike journey towards zero carbon and zero waste and help protect the future of sport. Okay, that's cool. Nice little box. Move to Zero. Product is product is made with at least 50% recycled content by weight, which reduces waste in our carbon footprint, which is awesome. In the back, they got some more Nike stuff, some more explanation of different languages. I guess Nike Swish should just do it, name and design, trademark Nike. So it's just trademark, legal stuff they have to put in the back. Everything's in a totally different language. Let's move to the next side of the box. Totally different language with other stuff, other information. So right here, here's everything. Here's the important information. Let me see if they have anything right there. Nope. This is the important information So I wear size 12. So this is the Air VaporMax 2020 FK. I got them in black, dark gray. I forgot what color I got them in anyway. So I just had it, shipped here and just come in here. So size 12 is what I am. I'm a big boy, and then black, dark gray, black. So let's just go ahead and open that in case you haven't seen these MFers. Here they go right here. Oh, what's this? This is from Finish Line. This is okay. So this is my shipping information. This is in case I have to return anything, which I doubt it. I'm gonna try it on after. So this is how the damn thing looks from the front. This is how it looks from the side. I've been dying to get my hands on these. I never tried these on. So this is how it looks from here. The VaporMax. This is how you lock it. So I guess you pull on that. And you also pull on the front when you're looking to lock it in. And this is the side right here. Side view. This is under it. So if you're looking to get the black gray ones, that's how it look. I already have the all red Air Max. This is how you want to kill it. This is a final receipt. That's with my discount price, so you don't need to see that. What else we got here? This is the other side right here. So, I mean, it doesn't feel as heavy as I thought it would. I thought because of all this, this in the bottom of the sole, I thought it would be like a heavier, but this is very light. Very sturdy, it seems that way. And this is the locking system right here. I think you just pull it on and then pull it back to lock. So that's it, man. I'm going to try these bad boys on. This is a quick unboxing of a Nike Air VaporMax 2020s. I know we're in 2021, but these things are still dope. These things are still official. It's about to be summertime, so I'm going to rock these out. I'm about to take a vacation next week, so these are coming with me, all right? I'm your host of the Morning Beer Podcast, Devereaux Davis. Like, subscribe, share, comment, and tell a friend. Peace.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely.